In terms of the software of itself, it's very user-friendly. We appreciate the constant updates and the new things that always keep happening.
It was a challenge to integrate our system. We both were surprised about the result that the customer could achieve with our integration.
So workshops are very interesting. You learn a lot, and it also gives an insight in terms of what's possible in the future.
It was great to meet some car rental companies from all over the world.
We appreciate the support based on the years that we've been working with WeYield, and we look forward to greater things in the future together.
The present is now everything is digitally, so the competition is worldwide, the competition is done through the web, and if you don't use this technology, you are lost.